Hello everyone, welcome to a quick video on the transformation of my Mercedes E-Class Coupe. You may have seen I bought it a couple of months ago. I couldn't decide whether to keep it or not, but in the meantime, look, the Saharan desert rain etc has wreaked havoc on the car and it's an absolute mess. The alloys needed refurbing, so I had them refurbed, and you'll see soon see the before and after photos for those. But look at the state of the car. Well, look at it. Unbelievable, isn't it? I can't believe I let it get to this, but pretty soon you'll see, after spending about 5 hours on the car washing it and then polishing it, it turns into an absolute beauty. So without further ado, here's a few more seconds of the dirty state it's in before you see its sparkle. Okie dokie, here we go.